Morning everybody, Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader here with your Wednesday morning pre-market webcast. Well, we're looking at a gap down here this morning. We're down right now. Current trade's 1241.5, down about 12 handles. CPI wasn't so hot, and we keep getting headlines out of Europe, Greece, Italy, European banks. I've said this before and I'll say it again. Absolutely nothing has changed. I don't care who the prime minister is of anywhere. It could be the new guy, it could be the old guy. It's not going to solve the debt issues that are within these countries, within the cultures of these countries, and on these bank balance sheets. So we're going to continue to get these European headlines, and when they come, some of them are going to be very volatile. So you've got to use stops and be hedged and prepare for those kind of situations, especially if you're holding overnight. So right now, with the weakness this morning, and you look at the daily chart, that wedge is really starting to develop. You've got a series of lower highs and a series of higher lows, and things are really beginning to come to a head here fairly quickly. Now, there is some discussion. I'll give you the other side of the coin, because the wedge is a fairly bearish theory. I'll give you a bullish theory, that this is turning into a pennant, okay? The tip of the pennant would be somewhere in the area of 1246 to 1248, and a pennant would suggest that we would break out pretty violently high, exceeding 1290 and heading up into 1300 to 1320. Just because of the macro environment around the world, I don't really buy into that one too much. But it is equally valid. So right now with the wedge, the bulls have got to hold 34. Then they've got to hold 1825, which is down around the 50. The 50 is right around 1218 to 1220, and then 1208. So if it spills, those are the areas that have got to be held: 34, 18 quarter, and 08. Now that begs the question: what am I doing to anticipate and set myself up for either one of these theories to happen on the daily chart? Nothing. Absolutely nothing at all. Okay? The thesis is there. I trade what I see every day in the room. The guys and the gals in the room know that. That's what we do. The thesis is there so that when it plays out, it gives me the confidence to hold either my longs or my shorts longer and run that winner farther, because I know when zooming out into the big picture on the daily chart what's happening. That's how I use these theories. I don't anticipate either one of them playing out or either of them playing out, but I know that if it does play out and I get positioned correctly, that I can hold it for a period of time, and these are the things that I need to watch for as it plays out. I hope that makes sense. Let's do support and resistance. We're 1241 even. I'll do the upside first. 20-day pivot is at 1245.17. 9-day pivot 1247.5. Daily pivot 1250. 3-day pivot 1253. 1252.75 rather. Then I have 1259, 1265. 1271, 1276, 1281, 1285, and 1290. On the downside, 1238, 1234, 1226, 1223, 1216, and 1213. So use stops, be hedged today. Everybody have a great day trading. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader here for Mr. Topstep. I will see everybody tomorrow. Have a great night.